Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to blend and analyze some data. We are going to combine separate data streams based on a unique column. We are going to blend and analyze data contained in two different input fields. To begin, I'm going to drag an input field from the tool palette and drop that in the canvas. And in the connect a file or database in the configuration window, I'm going to click on the drop down. For the data connection, I'm going to click on the files option here, and then I'm going to click select. And that will take me to the sample data folder, and I'm going to look for the tutorial address database. So I'm just going to scroll down to T, and we should see a tutorial address. So this is the one I want. So I found the file I want, which is the tutorial data addresses. So make sure that's selected and click open. And we can see a preview of the data in the configuration window. I'm going to drag a join tool from the tool palette. So I'm going to click on it and drag that. In the canvas, we have the T output anchor of the filter tool connect to the L input anchor of the join tool. Next, I'm going to drag the input tools output anchor, which is this one here, and connect it to the R of the join tool. Make sure that the join tool is selected in the canvas so we can access its configuration in the configuration window. In the configuration window, make sure the option for join by specific fields is selected. We have a left and right drop down. So from the drop down, I'm going to select user ID for the left and also for the right. In the table here, scroll through until you find in the rename column here something that has right underscore user ID. So when you find the right underscore user ID under the rename column, make sure you deselect that column row. The reason we are deselecting the column is that we want to stop the data from passing through the join tool. When you're done, run the workflow and the result shows up in the result window. In the result area, we have the L icon here, which represents the left join of data. And then we have the R icon here, which represents the right join of data. So I'm going to click on the left icon, which represents the left join, and then we can see the results here following the join, and then click on the right icon, and then you can compare the result from the right and the left. So by switching between the left and right, you can see which rows or records were and were not joined. In this video, we were able to blend and analyze data by joining data sources. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.